Check out some of these stunning outdoor living spaces. They've all got one thing in common: Cambridge Pavers. This is the brands of trust when it comes to making your exterior dreams come true.
And your spot can be transformed from a typical backyard to an outdoor oasis, one you'll never want to leave. Let's learn more now with DelmarvaLife's Katie Zerilli.
A backyard worth bragging about. When it comes to creating the perfect outdoor living space, you've got to go with Cambridge Pavers.
We make pavers, wall stones, and a lot of outdoor living kits, which you'll see. We're branded by the name ArmorTec. It's a paver that's going to give you a lifetime of enjoyment. We're known for our quality, customer service, and support.
Glenn Tager is the Cambridge Pavers territory manager for Pennsylvania and Delaware. He's been with the company for 12 years. It's one he believes in big time.
I installed pavers for over 25 years. I've installed every other product out there. Just the quality overall, and the company is just a fabulous company when it comes to standing behind the product and the support with the company.
It's a product they can especially stand behind because they're branded by the name ArmorTec.
It's a branded name for the process in making the paver, so that it will look like new for years to come.
When people think of Cambridge, they think of ArmorTec, and you do see it in the surface of the paver. You see the glistening, and it just really, the surface really holds up well. I know from being a contractor for years, you see a lot of wear and tear on some other lines, and I don't see that so much with Cambridge.
John Dorman is the manager of Stockley Materials. They've got 5 different locations in Sussex County, and they're a distributor of Cambridge Pavers.
Cambridge was something that I believed in even before I worked here, and when I came here, I decided to make Cambridge kind of like exclusive with us at the time, just because I believed in and backed their product. And I just think their product holds up. I think it's superior. I think their colors are really vibrant compared to some of the other companies, and ArmorTec, of course.
And so if you're in the market for Cambridge Pavers, this place is the first step.
You can start with your local distributor. Here we are today at Stockley Materials. There's catalogs, which you see. You can go through the catalogs, and you also have the Cambridge website where you can go online and look at many, many beautiful pictures at cambridgepavers.com.
Make sure you check out their Designscape Visualizer, which will help you design your dreams. From there, Glenn says folks ought to ask themselves how they envision using the space and then set goals.
Do you want to have parties at your house? Are you looking to enjoy family time in your backyard, fires, grilling, all types of different options? So you need to really step back and think, what is it that I want to do to improve my home?
Now, he recognizes that complete transformation takes time and money, so he suggests folks work in phases.
You can do it in phases, or your local contractor, you can do these projects in phases. So year 1, you can put in a patio, 10 by 10. Year 2, maybe a seating wall. And year 3, you maybe want to add a grill.
Glenn, of course, urges folks to make sure that contractor is a reputable one. They make that easy with their referral program, which folks can access through their website. With so many different choices, I wanted to know which color is the most popular.
Year by year, different colors take over, and one that's out there pretty big is called Limestone Quarry Blend, and that's a huge seller.
I love the Limestone Quarry. It's one of my favorite colors. And a color that I think is awesome with Cambridge that's kind of getting out there is called Stone Harbor. I think that's one of the more attractive colors.
Glenn, as you might expect, has Cambridge Pavers at his home.
I love how they look up against the house. I have what's called our Belgian 5-piece. I use that as our front walkway in the color Sahara Chestnut Light. And I also installed some walls, planter walls around the trees at my house.
Look through the catalog and seriously, all of this is stunning. And there's more to it, too.
Well, not only is it beautiful, but it's super functional. It's long-lasting. It adds value to your property. And it's just years of enjoyment. And especially people seem to be hanging around home more and wanting to have like staycations or whatever. I think it's perfect.
A big boost for your home, paving the way for an even bigger boost for your life.
To check out the Cambridge Pavers website, head to our website, DelmarvaLife.com. That's where you'll find a link. And I have to admit, I'm one of those people who tried to do something like that on my own.
Yeah?
Leave it to the professionals.
Yeah, when they talk transformation, they're serious.
Oh,
That's-
yeah.
Wow.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.